Welcome to the John Deere Attachment Video Series. The goal of this series is to provide you with information on the installation, maintenance, features, advantages and benefits, applications, operating tips, and finally the removal and storage of our John Deere Worksite Pro attachments. This video will feature our largest standard flow snowblower. Let's start by connecting to our G-Series skid steer. The operator will need to maneuver the machine so that the quick attach lines up with the mounting plate on the back of the attachment. Tilt the attachment back and latch the quick attach. Before operating any attachment, always be sure it is secure by pressing on the ground to ensure that the latches are locked in place. Next, the hydraulic hoses need to be connected. Before connecting any coupler to a machine, it is very important to clean both ends of the connectors. This will help keep any contaminants out of the hydraulic system. On John Deere snowblowers, the use of a case drain is not necessary. Be sure to connect the return line first. This will take some of the hydraulic pressure off of the system and make it easier to connect the supply line. Also, be sure the electrical harness is connected properly in order to control the snowshoe. Some attachments require the use of a hose saver or boom-mounted hose guide kit to safely route the hoses and keep them out of damaging pinch points. John Deere has an assortment of standard flow and high flow snowblowers ranging in sizes from 60 inches to 84 inches. There are currently 7 different models available for purchase. All B models are standard flow and all H models come with the high flow option. Shown here is the SB84B. Regular maintenance is key to the longevity and safe operation of any John Deere attachment. A regular walk around is required every day in order to ensure that all hardware is tightened down properly and that there are no noticeable leaks in the hydraulic system. Be sure to verify that the chute and deflector are not frozen or locked up. Refer to your operator's manual for any additional troubleshooting steps. Let's talk about some applications. The snowblower uses an auger to funnel the snow to a center fan that projects the snow up and out of the chute in a direction determined by the operator. The adjustable skid plates in the rear of the attachment are designed to set the cutting edge slightly above the ground surface to remove the first pass of snow. It is important to remember that John Deere snowblowers are not meant to be used as a plow. They are specifically designed to gather fresh snow and throw it to a desired location. Now, let's take a look at some features, advantages, and benefits. The hydraulically controlled polyline chute is capable of blowing snow up to 45 feet. This design reduces the amount of friction and results in less snow accumulation in the chute. An auger needs power, and that power comes from a motor specifically designed with the end machine in mind. High flow snowblowers come with dual motors for increased torque to get through those heavy snow applications. Additionally, John Deere snowblowers come with a replaceable, wear-resistant edge for strength and durability. Unlike some of our competitors, you'll notice that these side panels extend out past the auger here. This will protect your snowblower from damaging objects that may be hidden under fresh snow. These side panels are also equipped with tie-down locations for transportation purposes when the job is complete. Operating techniques differ for all attachments. John Deere snowblowers come from the factory at a skid shoe height that is ideal for concrete or asphalt. However, if being used on a soft or uneven surface, it is recommended to use the washers as shims to increase the height of the cut. This will prevent gouging into soft surfaces that could result in damage to the attachment. At the end of the workday, it is important to make sure your attachment is clean and free from dirt and other debris. To remove the attachment, first bring the machine to a complete stop and lower the attachment until it is securely resting on the ground. Before shutting down, be sure to bring the machine to an idle state. This will prevent any damage to the machine and attachment during the shutdown procedure. To unhook the couplers, it is first recommended to detach the supply line, then the return line. It is also recommended to press in and hold the male and female auxiliary port couplers to relieve the system pressure. And finally, disconnect the electrical harness. Once the couplers have been disconnected from the machine, connect them together to eliminate buildup of debris during storage. Return to the operator station to unhook the quick attach. Then, Tilt the coupler forward and slowly back out of the attachment. Be sure to store the attachment in a dry and safe environment when not in use. Leaving the attachment outside and exposed to the elements will significantly decrease its life expectancy.